Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to earn extra income? Today, we're going to dive into the world of making money online and reveal some proven strategies that can help you earn up to $3,000 per week. Sounds exciting, right? So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. 1. Affiliate marketing. The first strategy we're going to discuss is affiliate marketing. This is a popular method where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Choose a niche, pick a topic you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Find affiliate programs. Research and join reputable affiliate programs that offer products in your niche. Create content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account to share valuable content and promote your affiliate products. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic to your content and generate sales. 2. Online courses. Another great way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge and help others while making money. Choose a topic. Identify a subject you're knowledgeable about and that people are interested in learning. Plan your course, outline the course structure, create a curriculum, and decide on the format: video, text, audio. Create the content, record videos, write articles, or create audio lessons for your course. Host your course. Choose a platform like Teachable or Udemy to host and sell your course. Promote your course. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to attract students and generate sales. 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is another excellent way to make money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide and work on your own terms. Identify your skills. Determine what skills you have that can be offered as services, such as writing, graphic design, or programming. Create a portfolio, showcase your work and demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Join freelancing platforms. Sign up for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to connect with clients looking for your services. Set your rates. Research the market and set competitive rates for your services. Network and promote. Use social media, online forums, and networking events to promote your services and find new clients. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce method where you sell products without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. Choose a niche. Pick a product category that interests you and has demand in the market. Find a supplier. Research and partner with a reliable supplier who offers dropshipping services. Set up an online store. Create an e-commerce website using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Promote your store. Use social media advertising, SEO, and content marketing to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Manage customer service. Handle customer inquiries, returns, and refunds to maintain a positive reputation. 4. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you sell custom-designed products, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, without holding any inventory. The products are printed and shipped by a third-party supplier when an order is placed. Choose a niche. Pick a target audience and design products that cater to their interests. Create designs. Use graphic design software or hire a designer to create unique designs for your products. Find a print-on-demand supplier. Partner with a reputable supplier who offers high-quality printing and shipping services. Set up an online store. Integrate the print-on-demand service with your e-commerce website. Promote your store. Use social media advertising, influencer marketing, and content marketing to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. And there you have it. These are 5 proven strategies to help you make money online and potentially earn up to $3,000 per week. Remember, success takes time and effort, so stay consistent and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, happy hustling! Thank you for watching our video.